Alchemy Kitchen, and today we went mushroom hunting. Had some good luck. We found quite a few of these reason bovis or giant puffball mushrooms. The biggest one we already cut up and cleaned and cooked. We're going to make some lasagna with it. But to clean these, you basically just peel them and then slice it like a loaf of bread in half-inch cuts. Then what I do is coat them in some neutral oil, a little bit of salt, and just fry them like a steak on each side, like you're searing a steak. And we already did that with the big one, which is a lot, so the rest of these we're going to probably freeze, and we're going to make a lasagna with it. They're also good breaded like a schnitzel, or you can use them like a pizza bottom as well. They come out good. You can make it like a goulash as well, because the flesh of them is like meat. It's very similar. We found a few of these as well. These are parasol mushrooms, and these also come out really good, just breaded and fried like a schnitzel, and it also very, very similar to meat. So we already got one cleaned, cut up, and pre-cooked, so now we're going to put the lasagna together. Alright, this is quite a bit of work to prepare all these, so I didn't take a lot of detail in making a video today. But this is just one of them, the biggest one. And I usually say I cut it and then just like seared it basically on some cast iron. I had to do a lot, so I used just a bigger tortilla pan, and even you can do it in the oven. A little bit of oil and salt and pepper, and that works. Meanwhile, I've got some meat sauce cooking, and I'm going to start assembling the lasagna. So you can make it like any kind of lasagna. So I'm not going to go into detail about how I made the filling. I'm going to use the meat sauce, some cheese, and just make layers like you would with lasagna, except I'm not using pasta. I'll use the mushrooms instead. Okay, so I just basically made a layer of sauce, mushrooms, cheese, sauce, mushrooms, sauce, cheese, mushrooms, and cheese on top. I'm going to add a little bit of breadcrumbs on the top and go ahead and stick it in the oven at 175 degrees Celsius, and just keep an eye on it at that point. Everything's basically cooked, but I just want to melt the cheese in and kind of blend it all together. 45 minutes in the oven at 175. Last few minutes I turned it up to about 220, and it is ready. So it smells really good. Now to taste it. So I couldn't wait. I already dug into it, and it is really good, exceptionally good. Those mushrooms, the texture, the flavor, and everything goes amazing. So this won't last long.